Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a report in ServiceNow. So firstly, open up your ServiceNow account. Now search for reports, then click search reports, then click on view run. Now as you can see, there are all the reports that already exist in my ServiceNow account, but for today I'm going to show you how to create a report. So just click on create a report. Now name your report, my team incident report. Here's the source type, which will be table. Then select your table which you want the report to be a part of. For me, it's incident table. I will just click on it. Then I will just click on next. Now, as you can see, there are multiple graphs which you can show to explain your reports to other people or your other teams. You can choose bar graph, histogram, horizontal bar, or pie chart, line chart, or area chart. There are many more options, but the most reliable and the most detailed one is list chart. I will just go with that. Then I will click next. Now I will make few adjustments in the column of this table. So for that I will just go and click choose columns. For example, I don't want the updated by column, so I will just press on the updated by column and I will just press this arrow to remove this from the column side. And I also want to add another column like subcategory. So I will just simply click on this arrow and it will be added. But I want this subcategory section to be above category. So I will just click on this arrow and make it above category. And after that, just press OK. And then just press run. As you can see, the updated by category has gone and my subcategory has been added. You can also change this and make this into group by clicking on group by. For me, I will choose category and then next. I will just choose category and then again run. So as you can see, all of the list has been compressed to a category folder type in which there is empty, database, hardware, inquiry/help, networks and softwares. And in them you will find all the details you want regarding the report. But I don't want this, so I will just again go back to the group section and I will just press none. Then I will just again run and it will go back to the normal state. And if you want to add some conditions into your report, just go and click on the filter icon, then choose conditions like closed between 11:40, then just press run. So as you can see, there is no report at this particular condition. I will just press clear all and then run. You can add more than one criteria if you want to, just by clicking at new criteria, but I don't want any one of them, so I will just simply close it. And in order to save the report that you just made, you need to press save, because if only you will press run, it will just only run and it won't save. So in order to actually save the report, you need to press save report. So just click on save reports and the report has been saved. Now in order to see that, just click on the view run icon back. Just click on the view run icon again. My team incident report. Just click on that and here is my report. So that's it. Thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.